Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to sign up for Meesho affiliate program. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Meesho application, which of course I have done right here. Now, the next thing is where exactly can you download the Meesho application from? You can download it from Google Play Store or Apple Store, depending on the device that you use. Launch any of those applications and look at the search bar. In the search bar, go ahead and type Meesho and follow through the on-screen instructions to install. After installing, it's going to take you right into the sign up page where you're going to be asked to either log in using existing accounts or to create an entirely new account. Whichever one you choose, once you sign in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Meesho. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, and that is how to sign up for the Meesho affiliate program. From this homepage, I'd like you to head over to the bottom of your screen where you have a couple of icons representing diverse features, and they include home, categories, my orders, help, and account. Go ahead and click on account, and that takes you into this window where you have a couple of features which include bank and UPI details. You have payment and refund, which listed products, shared products, followed shops, refer and end, Meesho credits, become a supplier settings, rate Meesho legal and policies. Go ahead and click on become a supplier. And that's going to take you right into the supplier hub. So why sell on Meesho? So become a Meesho seller and start selling products online at zero commission to hordes of customers. All right, and then you have all of these options, right? Pin code set, delivery, why suppliers sell on Meesho. You have all of this, and then how to sell products online on Meesho. You have all of this information to actually help you with the process. Now, this is the supplier program, or the supplier hub is pretty much the affiliate program hub. All right, it is the affiliate program hub. So once you go ahead and sign up to the supplier hub, then you'll be able to become an affiliate. You'll be able to become an affiliate on Meesho. So go ahead and click on start selling, and once you click on start selling, then you have to sign up to the supplier hub. Now, these details are definitely different from your Meesho details, so you're gonna have to create a new account, add your phone number, and go ahead and click on continue. Once that has been verified, then you'll be able to sign into the supplier hub. From there, you can become an affiliate and make money from Meesho affiliate program. So you can go about this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.